Hello, my name is Adit Dasas and I am from Navjeevan, Kerala. I made a robot, humanoid robot. This is a teleoperated humanoid robot. Its name is Helix Zero. This is controlled by a puppeteering rig. It is placed in here. You can control the movements of this robot via the puppeteering rig. This robot also has ChatGPT and object detection program in it. It can respond to our questions and it detects 91 different kind of objects in this. Uh, these kinds of robots can be used in medical fields for surgeries and during like in pandemic situations we can use this type of robots without the doctors. Doctors can operate these kind of robots remotely and we can use these robots type of robots to teach children in remote villages and schools where teachers are not present. These robots can be also used in space missions for collecting samples and removing toxic waste, disaster response, etc. Thank you.